Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef enchiladas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 12 corn tortillas, and a 19-ounce can of your favorite enchilada sauce. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded cheese and 1/2 of a diced onion. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's prepare the delicious beef filling. In a large skillet, brown your 1 pound of ground beef with the diced onion over medium heat. Once the beef is fully cooked, make sure to drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for a lighter, more flavorful enchilada. Then, season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to your preference. Stir it all together well. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble the enchiladas. First, warm your corn tortillas slightly. This makes them much easier to roll without cracking. Dip each tortilla briefly into the enchilada sauce, ensuring it's coated but not soggy. Then, spoon about 2 tablespoons of the beef mixture down the center. Roll each tortilla tightly and place them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Repeat until all are rolled. Finally, let's get these enchiladas baked. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over your rolled tortillas, ensuring everyone is covered. Then, generously sprinkle the 1 cup of shredded cheese over the top. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade beef enchiladas. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.